Hello. Oh, sugar. Alright. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Oh, God. Hey. Welcome back. This is Sugar. She's a lapdog. Right? What do you think? You say hi? She's chilling. Put you down, okay? Good girl. Welcome back. Fam. Protein fan. Fam. That's weird to say. We've got Mansports. We just got through the... Was it sprinkle or sprinkled? Sprinkle?
Sprinkle.
Sprinkle. We have gotten confirmation that it's sprinkled donut, not sprinkled. Okay, so next up we got Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Now, little backstory on, I don't know, cinnamon protein. There's no backstory. I love Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I didn't like it growing up. I don't know why I like it now. I think growing up I was a Rice Krispies guy. Yes, do you have a question? Yeah, I was a Rice Krispies guy. Snap, crackle, and pop. But I like Cinnamon Toast Crunch in my adult life. If you want to refer to me as an adult, that's on you. Mixes easily and says tastes incredible. We'll be the judge of that, now won't we? That's why we're here. We're going to go over some nutrition facts. I said it like that because I'm thinking that maybe when editing you can make it. Probably not. So it's just going to sound weird. We're going to go over some nutrition facts. Total fat. That's a big 0. Saturated fat. 0. Trans fat. 0. Cholesterol. 5 grams. 60 grams of sodium. 1 carbohydrate. Fiber 0. Sugar 0. I don't believe it. It's lies. 25 grams of protein per scoop, and a scoop is 29.2 grams. What do we do with that number? Throw it out the window of your house that you live in, because those numbers don't mean anything. We're going to do about a scoop and a half worth. Scoop and a half's worth. Scoop and a half's worth. Scoops and a half worth. You have a question? Right. Smell test time. So that smells bad. It doesn't smell like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. We're gonna check that. Old bag of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. That smells like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It smells like protein powder. But hang on, I'm sure it tastes pretty good. While you're waiting, here are some Cinnamon Toast Crunch themed jokes. If you like them, I wrote them. If not, I googled them. Using a cinnamon stick to stir your eggnog, it's not a religious practice. It's agnostic. Eggnog stick. Okay. Did you hear the one about Dwayne Johnson and the cinnamon bun? They say it's rock and roll. Would you call someone making trouble in Jamaican church a cinnamon? Sound it out in parentheses. I already did that. It's done. No more cinnamon jokes. Scalding hot. Now we add protein. what? I'm over here now. It's taste test time. I'll go back. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, everyone. Alright, look at that. That's what it looks like. Okay? Probably like, oh, that's gross. And you're right. It looks gross. We're gonna try it. Mmm. Okay. That's good. That's good. That's it, guys. Thanks for coming along the journey. This is it. No, it tastes good. It does kind of taste like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Obviously, you're not getting the crunch from the cereal, but the texture from the cream of rice and the protein mixture, it's pretty good. You taste the cinnamon. It tastes like breakfast. It, in a weird way, it's got this kind of like, hold on, I'm trying to get that again. I'll get that. Hey, this isn't a dog video. What I pay you for? I'll pay. Sugar's upset that she wasn't in any of the videos. Sure. Anyway, back to this. It could just be kind of like the warm. It's still kind of warm. It's a perfect temperature, but the sprinkled donut and this have a similar ending to their story. But this story, the cinnamon tells no crunch. That's right. This is good if you like cinnamon. You like Mansports, all right? Use code NATESPARE for 10% off. All right, so I like cinnamon only because it's not so. I mean, there's no sugar in this, so I would say like an 8-ish, 8 out of 10, 8 out of 10 taste scale. Still 10 out of 10 gains scale. Is this the world's best tasting protein? No. Gotta think about that one. We're not done yet. We're gonna find it. We're gonna find the world's best tasting protein.